Hey, what's going on, my people? Well, today in this video I will be just demonstrating how to draw a simple fun character. This is nothing special, but I just had the urge to play around with some circles and lines on my Sketch Pro, or should I say Sketchbook Pro. That's what I'm demonstrating this character on. And also I am using my PC to do this, along with recording through OBS. So I have quite a few software things going on here. But anyway, I am working on trying to get this image looking somewhat fun and interesting. The Sketchbook Pro has many tools to work with. And also, did I not mention I am working on the XP pen monitor. Yes, I need more practice. I know this, and it's gonna take me a little bit to get used to working on the monitor instead of paper. I like to run back to the paper when I really want to get serious with a bunch of lines and just hack it out with trying to figure out my shapes. But I need to learn this on the XP pen monitor. But I'm still working with it. So anyway, this image is going to be possibly a series of characters. I'm just trying to work out this fun little idea right now on my XP. I've been having trouble, as you can see, trying to get the perfect circles and lines, but I know it takes practice. I went through a lot of videos trying to figure out how people do it, but I believe that you just need to keep practicing and get the hand-eye coordination down before you can become very perfect at drawing these lines. So anyway, I hope you like the character, and also please subscribe to my channel and keep up to date with more and more characters that I'm about to put out for you. Alright guys, I'm going to test out my drawing by filling my drawing with paint, or color should I say. I just want to make sure that there's no gaps in my drawing. There can be gaps where when you do start painting or coloring your drawing, the color will fill out or spill out into other areas of your drawing, and you don't want that. You want to make sure all your pencil lines are connected and closed up at every point. And also, I want to take the time to give you guys a little tech tip. This is dealing with saving your image. So once you're done with your image, or beforehand, you should always save your image out by naming it. You want to be able to save that image to your desktop, or create a folder on your desktop and name that folder that correspond to the images or graphics that you are working with. This will allow you to not lose anything when you close down your software. Okay guys, here you have it, my final product. It's cute, very simple, just did it on a XP pen monitor, and I use Sketchbook Pro for the software. So thank you for watching. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also check out my comic strip called Curly Q the Superhero. The channel link will be in the description. Thank you.